John Walker from COD TV. I want to share with you the first drone sunset I recorded. And you know, the sunset is just awesome. Yeah, that's one of them low awesomes. So I invite you to enjoy the sunset, and maybe I'll break in periodically and tell you a little bit more about the video. Might wonder why you see different lighting effects. Sometimes the condoms are light, sometimes dark. I was working with adjusting the camera settings for how much light the camera will allow in, but it was all at the same time. It's just what you choose to focus the camera on. And obviously, if you're focusing the camera on the sun, then you have to make it more dark, allow the camera to let in less light. On the buildings not in the sun, you allow the camera to take in more light. John Walker from COD TV. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel of COD TV.